Tommy safely made it to Nagoya. Masayuki-san, sashiburi ne! Genki desu ka? Tommy-chan no takai ni natta. Well, 5 years ago when me and Tommy were in Kyoto, Masayuki-san took us fishing and we had an amazing time.
Yeah. So you come.
Guys, we stopped here at the convenience store and Masayuki-san has picked up some bread. We're gonna catch some carp for Tom. We all got all the... Woohoo!
Let's go. Can I go over there?
We're checking little pieces of white bread on this pile of carp right there, trying to see if any will come up and eat it. We're getting a few of them, slurping it up here and there. We're gonna see if we can get one to bite our hook now.